Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert numbers to words in Google Sheets. Click on Extensions, then Add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons. Now navigate to the search bar and type here number text. Press Enter and choose number text. Now install it. Simply click on Install and choose your account. Then press Continue and scroll down and Allow. Now press Done and close it, and simply type in number text, choose the first value and the bracket and press Enter. Now it will load and you can drag it down to the whole table.